making a yummy chocolate cake. So here are the ingredients. You need 300 grams of milk, 125 grams of sugar, butter or margarine, plain chocolate, and then you need 250 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 125 grams of icing sugar. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you how to make the chocolate mixture. So, first of all, you need to add the 125 grams of icing sugar in. And then you need to add the 125 of the in. And add the 300 grams of milk. So now mix them well and ask your grown-up to help you heat the pan until it's melted into the chocolate mixture. Now the mixture is ready, we just need to wait till it cools down. Okay, so now whilst we're waiting for the chocolate mixture to cool down, we're gonna make the other parts. So what we need to do is add the sugar and the butter or the margarine inside here. And then now we're going to mix it up, and also ask a grown-up to help you mix it up. Now we are adding the chocolate syrup in as it is cooled down, adding it to the mixture that we've made. Now we are going to pour the mixture into the tin. Make sure it's greased before you put it in. Into the preheated oven, which should be preheated for 180 degrees before we even started. So there it is. Put it on for 30 minutes. So now we have got our cake out of the oven. We're just going to let it cool down before we eat it. It looks pretty good for the chocolate cake. Okay, so now the cake is cooled down, I'm going to pour the extra cake syrup